Today I am reviewing the NIMO 15.6-foot IPS FHD laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a close look at a laptop that is shaking up the budget and student market. It is the NIMO 15.6-inch Full HD laptop. If you are a student, a remote worker, or just looking for a reliable home computer without spending a fortune, finding a machine that strikes the right balance between performance, features, and price can feel impossible. But NIMO has packed an incredible amount of value into this device. Let us break down exactly what this laptop offers and why it might just be the smartest tech investment you make this year. First, let us talk about what drives this computer, the processor. Under the hood, this NIMO laptop is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 processor featuring 4 cores with a boost clock speed of up to 3.7 GHz. Now, you might see the marketing claim that this beats an 11th generation Intel Core i5-1135G7. In real-world, everyday usage, this means you are getting exceptional responsiveness. Opening apps is snappy, web browsing is incredibly smooth, and handling daily tasks like document editing or video streaming feels completely effortless. To back up that processing power, NIMO has included a generous 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. For a laptop in this price tier, 16 GB is a massive win. It means you can say goodbye to frustrating lag. You can comfortably juggle dozens of browser tabs for a research paper while running Spotify and typing a document in the background. Even better, the RAM is upgradable, featuring an expandable slot so you can boost the memory down the road if your needs change. Storage is handled by a blazing fast 512 GB PCIe solid-state drive. Unlike old mechanical hard drives, this SSD delivers near-instant boot-ups and rapid file transfers. It gives you plenty of space for projects, photos, and assignments. And just like the memory, the storage is upgradable too, so you never have to worry about running out of space as the years go on. Moving to the outside of the machine, the display is gorgeous. It features a 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution screen using an IPS anti-glare panel. The micro-edge design pushes the screen-to-body ratio to 85%, giving you an immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors and crisp details. The anti-glare coating is a huge relief for your eyes, dramatically reducing strain during those long study sessions or movie marathons. Plus, the lid features a durable metal A-shell, blending modern, sleek styling with solid protection against daily bumps. NIMO has also knocked it out of the park with user convenience features. It includes a built-in fingerprint sensor for secure, one-touch logins without typing a password. You also get a beautifully tactile backlit keyboard, making it a breeze to type in dimly lit classrooms or late at night in bed. For connectivity, it features Bluetooth 5.2 and an incredibly versatile Type-C port. Speaking of charging, NIMO generously includes a 65-watt USB-C power delivery fast charger right in the box, complete with a 6.5-foot cable. Just a quick 15-minute charge gives you up to 2 full hours of battery life. And because it is standard Type-C, this single charger can juice up your phone, tablet, or camera, allowing you to travel much lighter. Finally, NIMO gives you ultimate peace of mind with a comprehensive 2-year manufacturer's warranty and a 90-day easy return window. That is twice the length of standard industry warranties, proving that NIMO stands entirely behind their hardware. If you need a fast, reliable, and secure laptop for school or home use that will not break the bank, the NIMO 15.6-inch laptop is an absolute home run. Thanks for listening, and we will see you in the next review.